The Wave Energy Photon Interactive Calculator solves electromagnetic wave relationships between wavelength, frequency, and photon energy. The calculator has three main inputs with drop-down menus. First, the calculation mode drop-down lets you choose between 6 conversion options: energy from wavelength, energy from frequency, wavelength from energy, frequency from energy, wavelength from frequency, and frequency from wavelength. For this demo, I'm using energy from wavelength. The wavelength unit dropdown offers nanometers, micrometers, millimeters, meters, and angstroms. I'm selecting nanometers. The frequency unit includes hertz, kilohertz, megahertz, gigahertz, and terahertz. The photon energy unit provides electron volts, joules, kiloelectron volts, and millielectron volts. I'm using electron volts. Let's calculate using a wavelength of 10 nanometers. After clicking Calculate, we get comprehensive results. The energy reads 123.98 electron volts, with energy in joules showing 1.9864 times 10 to the minus 17. The wavelength confirms our input at 10 nanometers. The frequency shows 29,979 terahertz. The momentum calculates to 6.6261 times 10 to the minus 26 kilogram meters per second. The EM spectrum identifies this as ultraviolet radiation. This calculator streamlines photon calculations for optical and quantum engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.